Hi everyone, welcome back. Today sharing a super quick healthy snack recipe that's how to make bread pizza at home in an easiest way in just 10 minutes. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. For making bread pizzas, we require few breads, veggies, sauces, herbs and spices. So here I have taken onion, tomato, bell pepper, that's capsicum, and some chicken sausages. You may completely skip it if you don't have the sausage. Then in herbs and spices, we require oregano, paprika, black olives, pizza sauce and cheese. So here I have taken mozzarella cheese and salt as per taste. Now chop the veggies and sausages. Make sure to DC tomatoes and bell pepper and then chop them into small cube size. Now we're going to fry the sausages first for around 2 to 3 minutes. Instead of sausages, you may also use fried chicken pieces or completely skip this step and proceed making delicious veg pizza. Now into a hot oil, fry sausages in small batches for around 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame until they puff off. Once done, strain off the excess oil and transfer to paper towel. This recipe is a super quick snack or a healthy lunchbox recipe which you can instantly make with your favorite toppings. Just add in your favorite toppings and enjoy anytime. Once sausages are fried well, let's proceed in making bread pizza. For that, I have taken white bread, trim the edges or keep it if you like it. You may use any bread of your choice, either white, brown, French, Italian or even buns. Trim the edges. I'm going to use this for making breadcrumbs. Since we're going to use these slices as a pizza base, it saves a lot of time, making it super quick. Now we're going to cut each slices diagonally to give a pizza slice shape. Let me show you how, as it will make the pizza look more beautiful. See? Now continue shaping all these slices and then use these edges to make breadcrumbs. You can make this pizza on oven or a pan. Today gonna share how to make it in OTG. Now place these slices on a baking tray. Spread pizza sauce on each slices. If you don't have pizza sauce, you may use tomato sauce or any of your favorite sauce. Apply it evenly. I had already posted a detailed video on how to make pizza on pan, including pizza base. Hence showing how to make it in OTG this time. We'll share the link in description box and even on iCard above. Do watch it. After applying the sauce, layer it with mozzarella cheese. Here again you may use any cheese of your choice. Then we're going to top it with sausages, veggies, herbs and spices. That's any of your favorite toppings. You may skip the chicken part, that's a sausage, and make veg pizza and have it as a quick healthy snack anytime. With lots of veggies, this recipe makes a quick and healthier option for kids to carry in their lunchbox, and I'm sure they'll love it. Hope you're liking this video. Then do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and do press the bell icon for getting notified as I keep posting time-saving healthy recipes and also videos on how to clean and maintain cookwares like iron pots and pans, clay pots, steelwares for a healthy lifestyle. Once we filled all the toppings, now sprinkling salt and then gonna sprinkle some oregano and paprika. You may also sprinkle red chili flakes if you like it. And then after that we're gonna spread some cheese over the toppings. So spreading little cheese. This will give a beautiful texture and taste to pizza. Then we're gonna bake it in OTG at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I had already preheated the oven for 10 minutes. So bake it until bread turns crispier from outside and cheese melts and the veggies also gets grilled nicely. You may adjust the baking time as per your oven. In around 8 to 10 minutes, you can see a super yummy bread pizza is ready. See how beautiful and tempting this looks? Serve them hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Hope you like this easy recipe. For more interesting and healthy videos, do stay tuned with Nisha Thaju. See you soon with another interesting video. Until then, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.